All right, y'all. Howdy and welcome back to Camp Shack Productions. Today, you'll notice there's a little something off about the Nissan. So last night, where we were out to dinner, someone decided that they did not like my Nissan, so they completely broke out the back window. Someone decided to come up and put either a baton or something right through the window. As you can see, we have lots of glass pieces. I did vacuum this out, but the entire inside was full. And I think what really bothers me is that it seems like they did it just to destroy the window. They just broke it to break it. I had a bunch of gear in there. They didn't try to steal any of the gear. They only went through the back window. They could have easily broken one of the side windows and gotten in. So they just decided to go after it. And I do have a camera, but it actually didn't pick anything up. So it was just really overall disappointing to see that somebody would do that.
Lists Utah as the top state in the nation for road rage, giving the Beehive State a scorecard of 100 out of 100.
I understand that you might be angry. I understand that life might not be treating you fair. What I don't understand is why you would take that out on somebody else. I mean, I am angry right now.
Good. I can feel your anger. I am defenseless. Take your weapon. Strike me down with all of your hatred, and your journey towards the dark side will be complete.
I've got to go spend $400 to get a window replaced that was just fine. But it doesn't mean that on my way I'm going to stop and break somebody else's window. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be malicious. In fact, you know, I was a former camp director. I ran summer camps for years, and my main goal was to teach people how to be kind, how to be human, how to be empathetic to each other.
The only thing I do know is that we have to be kind. Please, be kind.
Not to be mean, not to do things like this, and I'm just so frustrated. So what I've decided to do is the place where I'm getting my windshield or my rear window replaced is right next to the Jordan River, which is a pretty good river here in Salt Lake. So I decided that while I wait the 2 hours to get this window fixed, I brought my fishing gear and I'm gonna go try to make something out of a really, really bad 24 hours. So I'm gonna cruise out there and I will show you guys what this all looks like when we get to the window shop. All right, this is where we're gonna spend the next few hours. And right over here is the Jordan River. So we're gonna go see what we can find down there.
Oh my God, no shot. Are you going for the sitting method? Let's see it. I gotta see it. Dude. Oh. Dude, he's in there. I'm in, baby. He's in. I'm walking on water.
All right, y'all. So my vehicle's done. This definitely helped chill me out.
In the escape.
feels. I feel much better now that I've sat here. It took about an hour and a half, and the whole time I just fished. I didn't catch anything, but there were some huge carp in the river, and I was basically running my bait right in front of them. I just think it's so hot right now that they're like, no thanks. So I'm gonna walk over. It's probably about a half a mile away, go pick up the car, and I'll check in with you guys, and we'll see what the work looks like. All right, let's head over there. Jeez, what an event. All right, y'all. So we got it fixed. I gotta say, it's a really bummer deal. Not only that, but I think I'm gonna be finding little teeny shards of glass for the rest of my life in here.
And just broken my hotel.
Oh, you got
viewing
glass
platform.
in your duvet.
Stupidest idea in history.
Jeremy.
And it really just bums me out that somebody decided to do that. I also want to let you know, if you need any kind of auto glass, skip all the major big companies. If you live here in Utah, come check out Auto Glass Doctor. These guys were awesome. They're right here in Midvale, and they were super great. They got me in today. They got me squared away. They knew it was an emergency, and they figured it out. Auto Glass Doctor, A+ from us, man. You guys rock. So if you need it, get it. All right, we made it home. As you can see, I've got the new window. It's got everything in it. It's just a bummer that because somebody decided to be a jerk, I had to spend $370. And all I would say is that if it was you that did that, or if it's somebody that I wronged and you were angry specifically at me, since I'm the only window out of 30 cars that got broken, I'm sorry. I hope that whatever happened in your life gets better and that things chill out for you, because I just don't understand why you do that. And, you know, I hope that nothing like this happens to you, and that, you know, we can all just be chill as we move forward. You know, we only have this one place together. We all have to share it. We have to share the outdoors. We have to share our city spaces. We have to share as human beings. So let's start being a little more tolerant, a little more empathetic, and a little more understanding. What do y'all say?
Why are you doing this? Why? Isn't the universe big enough for both of us? What is wrong with you people?
All right, well, weird video, I know, but thought I'd share it with y'all. Hope to see y'all back in the next one. Be well, my friends.
Why can't we all just get along?